So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store using XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and here try searching for the Call of Duty. So I'm writing Call of Duty in the search pool, and right here we can't find the game. Now in order to fix this, let's go back, click on our profile icon right here in the Google Play Store and go for the settings. Select family and from here go for parental controls, and right here you can fix it two ways. The first one is to disable parental controls like this. You will need to type in your PIN. The second way is to go for the apps and games, type in your PIN, click OK, and from here allow PEGI80 or allow all including unrated. After that save the settings, go back, try looking for Call of Duty again, and it's here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.